एकसारख्या विषयाचेर अभ्यासक किंवा संशोधन करपी गोंयच्या मंगेशाच्या देवळाक मुसरतीन भेट दितात. ह्या देवळाचें बांदकाम पर्यटकांक आकर्शीत करपा सारकें आसा. पुरातन काळाची ही कलाकृती दोळ्यांत दिपकावपा सारकी आसा. देवळाच्या शिखराचेर आशिल्लो कळस देवळाच्या सोबीतकाय आनीक वाडयता. देवाच्या साकार दोळे दिपकावपी गजाल म्हळ्यार देवळाचो दीपस्तंभ. दीपस्तंभ पळयतना सामकोच आकर्शीत करता. श्री मंगेशाच्या दर्शनाक मन शांतीन भरून येता. श्री देव मंगेशाच्या अवतारा फाटल्यान एक आख्यायिका आसा. ती अशी की एकदां शंकर आनी पार्वती दूद खेळटाले. खेळटा खेळटा शंकर हरलो आनी पार्वती जिखली. पार्वती देवीन शंकराचो अपमान केलो म्हणून रागान शंकर उठून गेलो आनी पार्वती ताच्या फाटल्यान गेली. ती फाटल्यान येता तें शंकराक कळ्ळें म्हणून ताणें तिची थट्टा करपा खातीर थारायलें. म्हणून ताणें शंकरान व्याघ्राचें रूप धारण केलें. तें पळोवन पार्वती सामकीच भिली आनी तिणें म्हणलें, त्राही मंगरेशा, म्हळ्यार आज म्हाज्या घोवा म्हाका वाचलय. तेंच मंगरेश मागीर अपभ्रंश जावन मंगेश जालें. समृद्ध अशा सैमान नटिल्ल्या माडमाडयांनी कुळागरांनी नटिल्ल्या सावयवेरें गांवांत सुंदर वास्तुशिल्पाचें श्री आनंदाचें देवूळ आसा. देवळा भितर मुखार विशेष असो दीपस्तंभ आसा. प्रत्येकाच्या दोळ्यांक आकर्शीत करपा सारको आसा. खांब्याचेर शंख, चक्र, पद्म आदी नैसर्गिक चित्रांचो आढावो बघा. देवळांत भितर मंडपांत देवाच्यो आकृती आसा. देवळांत दोन खांबे आसात, दोन्ही वेगळ्या कलर.
देव बरें करूं अक्षता. आमचें गोंय ही सर्त यशस्वीपणान मुखार व्हरपाक आमकां परिक्षक म्हणून लाभिल्ले भौमानिस्त सुनील गांवसकर हांव मागता अजय गावडे सरा लागीं की ताणें फुलां भेटोवचीं. देव बरें करूं सर. गोंयच्या इतिहासाचें एक पान ही चित्रकला सर्त यशस्वीपणान मुखार व्हरपाक आमकां परिक्षक म्हूण लाभिल्ले भौमानिस्त शौनक पागी सर, भौमानिस्त सुनील गांवस सर हांव मागता सरा कडेन की ताणें ताका फुलां भेटोवचीं. देव बरें करूं सर. मुखावेली सुत्रां हांव बाय सानवी कडेन सोंपयतां.
परत एक फावट सगळ्या सर्तकां खातीर नेटान ताळयो जावनी. मागता सर संजय गोवेकर हांचे कडेन की ताणें आयचो इनाम भेटवण सुवाळो मुखार व्हरपाक मानेस्तांक परत एक फावट माचयेर हाडचें. ह्या समयार मागता आयचे मुखेल सोयरे भौमानिस्ट डॉक्टर अजय गावडे हांच्या लागीं की ताणें आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
हॅलो. कोंकणी विभाग गोय विद्याप्रसारक मंडळ GBM डॉक्टर दादावैद कॉलेज ऑफ एज्युकेशन हांणी आयोजीत केल्लो हो हांणी आयोजीत केल्लो आजचो कार्यक्रम इंद्रधनुष. सगळ्यांक भूक लागली आसतली कित्याक खूब उशीर जाल्लो आसा, चड वेळ घेवचो ना. तरी आसतना मुखेल सोयरो म्हणून हांगा आपयला ताजे बद्दल आनी 2 उतरां सांगपाचो मान आसा. ताचे 2 उतरां सांगता. माची कॉलेज आसात ह्या विद्यालयाचे, ह्या महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य जॉर्जन मॅथ्यू सर, ह्या विद्यालयाचे प्रोफेसर संजय गोवेकर सर, कोंकणी विभागाचे ते मुखेली, सुनील कुमार सर, समीर सर आनी हेर जे टिचर्स, भुरगे आनी तुमी सगळे पार्टिसिपंट. इंद्रधनुष्य ह्या कार्यक्रमा बद्दल जेन्ना म्हाका सांगलें गेलें की असो एक कार्यक्रम संजय सरान जेन्ना फोन केलो आनी असो एक कार्यक्रम करपाचो आसा आनी जो वार्षिक जाता, लास्ट इयर जालो, ह्या वर्सा तो करपाचो आसा असो जेन्ना हांव विचार करतालो की इंद्रधनुष कसो प्रोग्राम ह्या नॅशनल एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी म्हणा किंवा तातूंतल्यान तो कसो पसून उरता काय किंवा कसो आसतलो प्रोग्राम हाची म्हाका कांयच आयडिया नाशिल्ली. जेन्ना पूण हांगा आयलो ओदोळच्यान म्हणून ऑलमोस्ट 2-2.5 वरां आमी हो प्रोग्राम पळयलो. इतलो सुंदर प्रोग्राम, सुंदर एक इनोवेशन आनी वेगळ्या प्रकारचो प्रोग्रामांतलें अशेंय जावं येता हें आज पयले फावट पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. संजय सर सांगता जी भुरग्यांक परफॉर्म करताली ती कोंकणीची भुरगीं नाशिल्ली किंवा ती वेगळे सब्जेक्टाची आशिल्ली आनी ताका लागून चड तांकां म्हाका दिसता की तांकां चड आमी शाबासकी दिवपाक जाय. मुद्दाम कोंकणी सब्जेक्ट जर हांव जेन्ना हांवें काल हें प्रोग्रामांत आनी एक मनशा कडेन हांवें उलयलो की असो एक प्रोग्राम हांगा जाता, ही भुरगीं करपाची आसा, संजय सराच्या मार्गदर्शना खातीर जावपाचो आसा. ताचे कडेन म्हाका 2 उतरां आयकपाक आयलीं ती म्हणल्यार कोंकणी ह्या सब्जेक्टान खूब कितें जावपाक जाय, खूब कितें कार्य करपाचें आसा. स्पेशली जेन्ना संजय सरा कडेन खुबशे हांवें सजेशन्स दिल्यात की तुमी जी गितां बरयल्यात, हांव सकाळच्यान आतां खूब प्रोग्राम पळयलो, जस्ट हांव रिकलेक्ट करून जस्ट एक फिडबॅक म्हणून तुमकां दिता. बुकां खुबशीं पदां बरयल्यात किंवा गाणी बरयल्यात, ताची व्हिडिओग्राफी जावपाक जाय. ल्हान ल्हान माणकुले भुरग्यांचे जे बाल गितां बरयल्यात ते ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक घेवन, माणकुले भुरग्यांक घेवन ती गितां बरोवपाक जाय. सुंदर अशें एक गाणें म्हटलें जाचें गायता आसतना एक भुरग्याचें नांव विसरलो हांव, श्रेया, ताणी म्हाका दिसता तें गायता आसतना जो एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट जाल्लो तें सुद्दां ते व्हिडिओ रुपांतल्यान तें गाणें येवपाक जाय. म्हळ्यार सैम, सैम आमचें गोंय किंवा बारीक बारीक शब्द आसा तो जर पुराय गाणें जें आसा तें एक व्हिडिओ रुपांतल्यान येत जाल्यार चड बरें दिसतलें. सो अशे वेगळे वेगळे प्रकार, सायन्स, मॅथ्स आमी जेन्ना पळय सिमेट्री म्हणात किंवा आय थिंक हो सगळो पुराय जो कन्सेप्ट आनी कन्स्ट्रक्टिविस्ट अप्रोच जेन्ना आमी पळयतात, आमी सायन्स शिकता आसतना किंवा शिकयता आसतना किंवा आमी वेगळे वेगळे अप्रोचीस आसा तातूंत एक भाग कन्स्ट्रक्टिविजम म्हणून आमी जो पळयतात. हें जे शिक्षण पद्दती जी आसा ती म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान खुबश्या भुरग्यां कडेन पावतली. फक्त प्रोग्राम करिनासतना हाजें सुंदर अशें डॉक्युमेंटेशन करपाक जाय, पब्लिकेशन करपाक जाय, जें आतां तुमी बरयली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल खुबश्या भुरग्यांक फक्त फर्स्ट आनी सेकेंड मेळ्ळें, पूण तरी सुद्दां आनी कितली क्रिएशन आसतली जी प्रायजांतल्यान कन्वर्ट जावना, ती सुद्दां क्रिएशन म्हाका दिसता डॉक्युमेंटेशन जावपाक जाय. आनी हाजो डॉक्युमेंटेशन जी बालगितां आसात किंवा त्या आमी एक सिंपलशें एक इक्वेशन मॅथ्सांतलें आमचें बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर डिसायड करता किंवा हाव वी लूक, हाव वी डिसायड, हें सगळें पळोवपाक आज मेळ्ळें. हांव सराक म्हणटा जॉग्राफी में कुछ नहीं लिखने को मिला, सो मागीर लास्ट जे पळोवपाक गेले हाव इज अ सरावंडींग आमचें कशें आसा. म्हाज्या शेजाऱ्या गांवांतले खारवडे, थंय हांव गावडे रावता, पूण थंयचे आय नो हाव ओल्ड दॅट एरिया इज, कितले वर्सांचे कल्चर थंय आसा. सो हें पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. म्हाका याद जाता हांव 2012 हांगा जॉयन जाल्लो एसिस्टंट प्रोफेसर म्हणून. त्या वेळार हांवें एक उपक्रम घेतिल्लो अनसीन गोवा म्हणून, आनी त्या वेळार अरावंड 50 ते 60 प्रोजेक्ट्स पुराय गोंयभर आमी व्हिडिओग्राफींतल्यान कन्वर्ट करून त्या वेळार भुरग्यांनी तयार केल्ले. IC जो लर्निंग रिसोर्सीस पेपर आशिल्लो ताजो एक प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून वॉट वी हॅड डन की पुराय गोंयभर अश्यो खुबश्यो जागा आसा हिस्टॉरिकल म्हणा कल्चरली असोसिएटेड, ह्या जाग्यांचेर कोणी पळोवना अशें त्या भुरग्यांनी बरे तरेन व्हिडिओग्राफी केल्ली. ह्या व्हिडिओनी खुबशी अजून कमतरता आसा, तुमी अजून तातूंतल्यान ट्रेनींग थोडीशी जाय आसूं येता. एडिटींग म्हणात किंवा व्हिडिओ कसो तयार करपाक जाय. प्रोफेशनल त्या वेळार कांयच नाशिल्लें. जेन्ना हांवें तांकां करपाक शिकयलें त्या वेळार तांकां खरेंच कांय नाशिल्लें. ते वेळार सुद्दां बरें केलें. आतां तुमचो स्टुडिओ आसा, यू हॅव अ रिकॉर्डिंग रूम, यू हॅव ऑल अदर थिंग्स, सो बरे तरेन तो आनी जावं येता. खरेंच हांवें असो प्रोग्राम एज्युकेशनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तरी पळोवना. उदोळ एक सजेशन आयलें की हो आतां इंटर कॉलेजीर जावचो, आनी म्हाकाय दिसता की हो प्रोग्राम फक्त आतां तुमच्या इंटरनल कॉलेजी भितर न उरता, इट शूड गो अक्रॉस दी स्टेट. इंटर ज्यो तुमचे BEd कॉलेजी आसात किंवा जनरल कॉलेजीस, हो कन्सेप्ट थंय पावचो आनी ताची खुबशी ताची पब्लिसिटी जावची आनी भुरग्यां मदीं बरें वॉट आय कॅन से लिटरेचर खूब कमी आसा कोंकणीच्यान. जर तुमी पळयशात कोंकणी भाशेन आमी म्हणटात की मातृभाशा आमची, खुबशे लोक म्हणटात की इंग्लीश मिडियमांतल्यान शिक्षण जावपाक जाय. म्हाजो विचार असो आसा की एक भुरगो ताजें शिक्षण ल्हानपणांतलें प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन किंवा प्री तें मातृभाशेनूच जावपाक जाय. कोंकणी म्हणत किंवा मराठी म्हणत, तातूंतल्यान एक वेगळो मनीस निर्माण जाता अशें म्हाका दिसता. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट इट शूड बी दी रूल दॅट, बट म्हाका दिसता की ही काही गितां आसा. म्हाका याद आसा हांव शिकता आसतना एरे रे पावसा तुला दितो पैसा, आतां आसा रेन रेन गो अवे कम समदा रेन. एक भाशाच बदलल्या. आमी म्हणटा एरे रे पावसा, नाव इट इज रेन रेन गो अवे. सो दॅट इज हाव थिंग्स हॅव चेंज. म्हणजे आमचें जें पयलींची जें गाणी आशिल्ली ती आतां ना जाता. म्हणून जी तुमी आतां एक हें घेतला, तुमी पास आउट जावन वतली पण तें डॉक्युमेंटेशन करून तें उरपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. हाजे पलीकडे वता आसतना दोन गोश्टी म्हाका सांगन भुरग्यांक दिसता. हाजे पलीकडेन फुडें वता आसतना म्हाजो BEdचो प्रवास ह्या कॉलेजान 10-11 म्हाका दिसता 16 नंतर 12 सालान हांव हांगा जॉयन जालो. 12 ते 16 4 वर्सां हांवें हांगा मॅथोलॉजी ऑफ टिचींग सायन्स ह्या सब्जेक्टान हांव जॉयन जालो. हांवें वेगळे वेगळे सब्जेक्ट शिकयले. 16 ऑलमोस्ट 8 वर्सां नंतर सर आय एम कमिंग बॅक टू दीस इन्स्टिट्यूट. सो इट इज व्हेरी प्राउड. सगळे टिचर्स सुनील कुमार सर, समीर सर, दे वेर वन्स अपॉन अ टायम माय टिचर्स. मागीर हांव कलीग म्हणून जॉयन जालो. बट एक भुरग्यांनी लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय, टीचर वील ऑलवेज बी टीचर. हुएवर आय बी टुमोरो, आय बिकम समबडी, आय बिकम anybody in life, they will always remain my teacher. Whatever I am today, I think they have contributed a lot to me and my development. BEdचो भुरगो जेन्ना ह्या संस्थेन भितर सरता, ही इज व्हेरी रॉ. आय टेल यू व्हेरी फ्रँकली. एक भुरगो जेन्ना ह्या BEd कॉलेजान, आमच्या वेळार तर 1 वर्साचो BEd आशिल्लो, तुमकां 2 वर्सां BEd आसा. आय थिंक माय बॅच वर प्रोबेबली आफ्टर दॅट हॅज गॉन फॉर 2 years BEd, 2 वर्सां नंतर. वेन you just measure yourself, when you enter this institute, you are very raw in all areas of your personal development, areas of your learning, areas of your social development. But when you pass out tomorrow, you are going to be a different human being, I am telling you. But it depends on how you take it, how you grow, what you do in these 2 years, what are your plans, what you want to achieve, whether you want to struggle after passing out, what is your thought process in entire journey. You are going to be competing with the entire world. I was talking to sir. See, fortunately, you have very good institute where you are learning environment is very, very good. I have passed out from the institute. I joined back this year as a teacher. Then I moved on to my civil service joining. But you are at the best place where you can get the best education with the best teacher. हांव सदांच अशें म्हणटा की एक भुरगो जेन्ना पास आउट जाता ताजे बरोबर ताजे संस्थेचें नांव जें शिक्षण ताणें घेतलां तें जोडलें वता. जेन्ना म्हाजें इंट्रोडक्शन जाता आज, प्रत्येक वेळार GVMC BEd कॉलेजीचें नांव येता. कित्याक त्या शिक्षण कॉलेजींतल्यान हांव ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्लो. फक्त ग्रॅज्युएट जावना, आय वॉज ऑल्सो टॉपर ऑफ द इन्स्टिट्यूट. फक्त त्या वेळार म्हाजे विचार वेगळे आशिल्ले, म्हाजे प्लॅनिंग्स वेगळे आशिल्ले. हांवें सी आय टेल यू व्हेरी फ्रँकली, आय एम जस्ट टेकिंग 5 minutes सर, बट दे शूड अंडरस्टँड. In a nutshell, I'll tell you the journey which I have gone through, which you should know. I did my Masters of Chemistry and then I missed out on applying for the GVMC BEd college. जेन्ना फॉर्म आउट जातात ते वेळार 2010 सालान I passed out 9. So विसरलो फॉर्म भरपाक विसरलो. I'm just sharing this not to show how great I am, but you should know how journey of life can hit you very badly or how it can divert your goals in other ways. I completed my Masters in Chemistry and then there was a time I had to apply. I forgot to apply. There was बेस जावपाचें. म्हजो एक मित्र आशिल्लो गुरुदास पालकर म्हणून, दोगूय जाणां ते वेळार एडमिशन घेवपाक पावले ना. आनी ते वेळार असो विचार केलो की वॉट वील डू फॉर दॅट इयर. वी बोथ वर्कड इन अ फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनी. We worked in a Cipla for almost a year and we waited for next year's form to be out. That determination we had that we want to do BEd. We joined BEd not by chance, it was by choice. Out of 100 students which comes yearly or 200, 80% students come by chance because nothing is available, they come. Only 20 to 20, don't feel bad, this is a reality. 20 to 25 students will always come by choice because they want to become a teacher. But most of the students must have come either my friend is doing B.Ed or I have nothing to do B.Ed. That's the reason I am coming and doing B.Ed. These people will not grow as they want to grow as a teacher. So we waited for that year, we came back, we applied, we got admission here. And I still remember next 2 months after June started, we had to struggle for our, because company was not living. We worked for next 2 months, we did our B.Ed. 9 to 5, then night, whatever was there, came back, I completed my B.Ed. And then another turn came. So I'm telling you why. See, I had very good teachers here, and teachers who guided me, motivated me, and who helped to pursue me what I wanted. I passed out my bachelor's degree. I remember Sunil Kumar sir. I see Goa is very. Goa is something which you will not find much of the aspiration. You don't find there is much of the aspiration level. We may be very talented, very hardworking, but there is a lack of aspiration level. So one day I was just sitting with Sunil Kumar sir and I was not aware of what is RI about, where it is, how it is. Never stepped out of Goa. Never, I think I had traveled only once or twice in a train journey. I never had a thought. So he just mentioned to me, you need to do your masters. I think you have that ability. You should go ahead and you should do your masters. So that thought ignited me. Okay, गोव्यान तर एम एड करपाची काय तुमकां जर आमी GVMसान तर एम एड करपाची सुविधा आसा. I think I am the first person in Goa, from Goa who maybe the history that he stepped out of Goa to do masters in RI. हांव पयलो भुरगो आशिल्लो थंय गोंयांतल्यान म्हाका खबरूच नाशिल्लें भोपाल खंय कितें. So one thing I applied. I am telling you this story for a journey for your understanding ki how life could change your dimensions of perspective, whatever you want to think. I applied for M.Ed and I answered interview in MPI Higher Secondary for a permanent post of teacher grade 1. Permanent post. I answered the interview. On 21st of June 2011, I got 2 letters from one postman. One letter was, I still have those copies. One letter was for selection in M.Ed for Bhopal and selection of permanent post in MPI Higher Secondary. So I remember the date. I still have a letter. Then I told that, okay, I got a permanent job. Getting a job 10 years back, or it was not easy. I decided what you would have done. As an individual, if you have 2 things, one is job and one is education. Probably 80% or 90% students would prefer to go for a job because you are getting it. And that too in MPI Higher Secondary, very well known higher secondary where you would get. But then I came and I met sir. I said I'm not going for M.Ed. I think I should go for a job. Then he said, like Sunil Kumar sir said, Sanjay sir, all of them have a lot of contribution. Like I sat with them. Then he told me, no, you go for, you leave the job, you will get job, you go to Bhopal. So that is how I wrote a letter to the principal saying that thank you so much for selecting me. I would not be able to join. I went to Bhopal. I have seen 42 degree temperature. I have seen 1 degree temperature also. All vegetarian food. Nobody knew me. I just took my bag. I went to Bhopal. I studied. I taught there. Came back here. Qualified my NET. Joined here as assistant professor. Where I was a student. I worked with my teachers as colleague. That was not the end of the journey. In a period of 4 years, I always aspired to be a civil servant. Although I was a good teacher, I believed I can be a good teacher. I was doing very well in teaching. I thought, okay, civil service exams were out. And that's how I got into civil service. I answered the exam. I remember we are the 3rd batch of civil service. First batch of civil service of Goa is 1998. Second was in 2003. And we were a 15 batch. Nearly about 12 years of gap. There was no civil service exam in Goa. Around 4,500 students answered. Out of that, only 60 qualified the exam. Out of 60, only 22 appeared for interview. And out of 22, only 13 were selected for that 15 batch. And that's how I got into civil services. That was not the end. While I was doing this, I registered for PhD in BITS Pilani. And I continued it, completed it. I was still in doubt whether I should join civil services or not. So again, these teachers, Samir sir, Sunil sir, Sanjay sir, all I had a discussion with them. Shall I join civil services or shall I continue here? Again, I'm taking turns in your life. It will come gradually. There will be always up and down. I remember I gave my joining to a civil service on the last day of the you have to give a joining date is there, and the last day is there. That is the day I gave my joining. That too again, they all told me, no, you should move out of this college and you should serve the state or maybe a nation at a larger scale. That's how I went to civil services. And now, since last 8 to 9 years, I have worked in almost 14 departments of the government of Goa. Now, as the seniors can see, journey was not spoke. What I am trying to tell you with this address is, maybe I am taking this opportunity to tell you this. What is there inside, you will decide where you will be, not what is outside of you, what you wear, where you stay, how you carry yourself, what kind of car you have, how big house is. That is a materialistic world. What I believe is, what will make you is what is inside you. Now, what is inside you is not your body parts. What is inside you is your knowledge, your attitude, aptitude, your behavioral output, your character, your will, your thought process. All this combined will decide what you will be tomorrow. Matthew sir was addressing to me and he was saying about hard work. And yes, hard work is required to do something in your life. Just don't graduate from this, don't just be a teacher. I always used to tell my 4 batches I have taught 4 batches. I should tell them, I don't appreciate and very highly intellectual student who may be 95% or 99% in graduation or post-graduation. I don't appreciate that. I would appreciate how good human being he is. There is always possibility that a good human being will be a good teacher, but there is no guarantee that highly intellectual teacher will be good human being. I always will look at this aspect. So you should, as a teacher, be good human being. There is always possibility that you will be good teacher, but nobody can guarantee you that highly intellectual teacher will be good human being. This you need to, so when you are growing, when you are going to this phase of your beard, be good human being. That is what will make you good teacher. Everybody, intellectual teacher may not be. See, fortunately we have very good teachers here. Fortunately, why I am saying, because I have seen there are so many things, so many colleges, and take maximum out of it. Take maximum out of it. And चोड वेळ घ्या ना आणि केन्ना तरी येऊन सर मुद्दाम I can have an interaction. There is a lot to share. What I shared in 2 minutes as a journey, this journey has 1,000 things to share. Journey of BEd, journey of MEd, NET, SET, JRF, then PhD. Lot of things can be shared. But in this journey, there are 3 people who will always support you. One is your family. Second one is the institute where, and the teachers. Like I have very good teachers. Today you might have seen, I have very cordial relationship with them. I have they are like my family. Why? Because I have lived like that with them. No, why I remember them always, and they shall be remembered forever. Reason is that when I was learning, I was a student. Even when I joined as a teacher, I was again student for them, although I was colleague for them. So the definition of teacher will never change. I may be, suppose you become Prime Minister of India, you become the Chief Minister of State or otherwise. You shall always be student of that particular teacher who have taught you. That will make you someone better in the society. So one thing is that 4 Ds I have followed in my life. Just to conclude, 4 Ds thoroughly I have followed in my life till now and shall be following further. One is discipline. And discipline is not keeping quiet when I am talking to you. No. Discipline is not when nobody is watching you. Discipline when nobody is watching you. You are on the ground, somebody is watching you, not making, or you are not using bad words or otherwise. That's not the discipline I am talking. That is called as controlled discipline. I am not talking about the controlled discipline. Discipline when nobody is watching you. Whatever you do, be disciplined. You are studying, be disciplined. You are mopping, be disciplined. Whatever you do. Second is determination. Don't just dream. You can't just dream at night that I want to be someone. Be determined. I think when I went to Bhopal, I was determined. I am going there for 1 year, not to do some time pass or some kind of thing. I am going there with a vision, with a goal. Be determined what you want to be. You want to be something, do something, you have to do sacrifices. Lot of sacrifices has to be done. Now sacrifices doesn't mean sacrifices in terms of choices of what you want to do. Tomorrow is an exam, you want to go for a tournament, you want to do something else, or you want to go for a movie. Those choices are called as sacrifices, what you will make, and that will make you. Third is dedication, and fourth we can do is devotion. Be devoted to whatever you do. When you pray also, be devoted. Be dedicated. Even when you're cleaning your floor, you're cleaning the utensils, you're studying, devotion and dedication will go together. I think this is what will make you something better person in life. What I have told you is all not from book. This is what I have witnessed, I have felt, and I have seen across this journey. Journey was not easy. Still there is a long way to go. I think I can think of another, whatever life I have, 30 years, 40 years, whatever God has planned for me, I think I can have better life because I have sacrificed last 25 years or 22 years of my journey. You cannot be someone just like, look at Sunil Kumar sir, I think all of them have journey. Everybody who is sitting here has a journey. Learn to understand their journey. I think everybody had a role model. I had a role model right from pre-primary till my PhD. Everywhere I had a role model to follow. Follow some role models, not actors or actresses that you follow. Use social media for better purpose rather than using it for other purposes. So that will not take much time. Thank you so much for inviting. I'm coming back to this college almost after 8 years. I remained busy with a lot of other stuff. And it was homecoming, it was like homecoming. And when I entered, I saw my board and name. It made me proud. Okay, 10, 11, I was a topper of this institute. And again, I felt good when I read my name on the board. So, do something which will be remembered. You should do something in a manner which will be remembered. Now, do means you can do both ways. You want to see your photograph on paper, you can do crime and also do something good. Now, when I say do something will be appreciated by the society. Do something which will be accepted by the society, which will remember you and which will give name to you. I'm not talking about fame. I'm not about fame. I'm always talking about name. You should carry your name, maintain your name, and maintain the name of the institution. So with this, I would like to thank Sanjay Govekar sir. Very innovative, very innovative. And Indradhanush, it has 7 colors. I would say, sir, 7 subjects you have integrated and you have created another subject. I don't know what name you want to say. Education is interdisciplinary. Education is interdisciplinary. When we do B.Ed or education, it has see, nobody, psychology, sociology, philosophy, everything is there. So you name this as another subject now. So out of 7 subjects, thank you, Principal Georgian Matthews sir, that you invited me here, and it was honor. I would say the feeling being among the teachers and being there as a chief guest, you can't get this just like that. You have to earn it. What Georgian Matthews sir has said, you have to earn it with your hard work and determination. So just 4 lines for all of you, although they are not in Hindi, these are not my lines, but these lines I always tell to myself. जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी के असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. अभी तो नापी है सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर ज़मीन, अभी तो नापी है सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर ज़मीन, आगे सारा जहां बाकी है. There is a long way to go, and I think I wish you all best of luck. Do well, whatever career you choose, whatever you want to do, be the best in it. Give your 100%. You may fail miserably, rise up again and try to achieve that goal. Thank you so much. I'm honored to be among all my teachers, and this institute has also given me a lot of memories. This institute also has given me, I have been part of this institute only for a year, but it has added a lot. Prior to coming to B.Ed, I was just like common man. Maybe a lot of, that's what I told you. You major yourself. When you enter and you exit, you will be a different person. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं सर. तुमच्या विचारांचेर आमी निश्चितच विचार करतली. तुमची उतरां आमच्या खातीर भोव मोलाची आसली. ह्या समयार आजच्या मुखेल सोयऱ्यांक आमी यादिस्तीक म्हूण फळांची गडसाण भेटयतात. मागता भोवमानिस्ट डॉक्टर जय गावडे हांच्यांनी ती व्हड मनान स्विकारची आनी तितल्याच व्हड मनान ती आमच्या प्राचार्यांनी आनी सर संजय गोवेकर हांच्यांनी ती तांकां भेटोवची. देव बरें करूं सर. तुमच्या आतुरतायेचो मान राखून आमी इनामां भेटयतात. मागता आमच्या तिनूय मानेस्तारां पैकी तांच्यांनी ही इनामां आमच्या सर्तकांक भेटोवची. सगळ्यांत पयलीं इतिहास घडटना ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम वता बाय नियती नाईक. ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम सायली कारबोटकर. जर ते हांगा ना जाल्यार तांच्या गटांतल्यान कोणूय एकट्यान येवन ते स्विकारूं येता. ताच्या उपरांत आमचें गोंय ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम आमचे गोंय ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम बाय नियती नायक हाका. आनी ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम बाय अक्षता नायक हांगा. काव्य मैफिल ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम बाय विशाखा पालकर. काव्य मैफिल ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम सुहाना वंती. काव्य मैफिल ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम सुहाना वंती. काव्य मैफिल ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम विशाखा पालकर. सैमातले गणित ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम मनीषा आनी प्रतीक्षा. सैमातले गणित ह्या सर्तीचें दुसरें इनाम रिया म्हापणे.
उशीर झाला खबरचा आमचा आणि आमचं भूक लागल्या खबरचा आम्ही
ताच्या उपरांत सप्तसूर ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम श्रेया करकडे आनी दुसरें इनाम रिचेश परब. सप्तसूर ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम श्रेया करकडे. आनी दुसरें इनाम रिचेश परब. विज्ञान दर्शन ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम प्राजक्ता देसाय आनी प्रेरणा फेर्नांडीस. आनी दुसरें इनाम रविना बांदेकर आनी विनया गावस. आमचें गोंय ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम अक्षता नाईक. आमचें गोंय ह्या सर्तीचें पयलें इनाम अक्षता नाईक. आमचे गोंय ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम नियती नायक. आमचे गोंय ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम नियती नायक. ताच्या उपरांत चित्रकला ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम विशाखा पालकर आणि रोहन तांबोसकर. चित्रकला ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम विशाखा पालकर आणि रोहन तांबोसकर. चित्रकला ह्या सर्तीचे पहिले इनाम सिया नाईक हाणें मुखार येवचें. चित्रकला ह्या सर्तीचे पहिले इनाम सिया नाईक. चित्रकला ह्या सर्तीचे पहिले इनाम सिया नाईक. ताच्या ग्रुपातले जर कोणी आसा जाल्यार ते स्विकारूं येता. सिया नाईक. तशेंच तरेन नाचुया तालार ह्या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम वता परीक्षीत ह्या पंगडाक. पंगडांतले खंयच्या एका वांगड्यान ते येवन स्विकारचे. ओके, सगळे येयात. नाचुया तालार ह्या सर्तीचे पहिले इनाम वता सृजन ह्या पंगडाक. तांच्यांनी मुखार येवन तयारी दवरची. तुमच्यो ताळयो तांची उर्बा वाडयता. नाचुया तालार ह्या सर्तीचे पहिले इनाम परीक्षित ह्या पंगडा सृजन ह्या पंगडा. तर ह्या वर्साचो गोल्टो करंड वता परीक्षित आणि डायनमाइट्स ह्या ग्रुपा खातीर. दोनूय ग्रुपां मदीं काय जाल्ली आसा. म्हाका दोनूय पंगडांचे जे लिडर्स आसा तांच्यांनी मुखार येवन हो करंड स्विकारचो. डायनमाइट्स आणि परीक्षित सगळ्या मेंबरांनी मुखार येवचें. तर ह्या वर्साचो गोल्टो करंड वता परीक्षित आणि डायनमाइट्स ह्या गटा खातीर. नेटान ताळयो जावच्यो ह्या दोनूय गटा खातीर.
अरे
कांय खिणा भितरच हो सुवाळो सोंपतलो त्या खातीर सभाघराच्या भायर वयचें दोन्ही पंगडांक परबीं आनी सगळ्या सर्तकांकूय परबीं मानेस्तांकूय देव बरें करूं. ह्या सुवाळ्याच्यो यादी मना काळजान सांठयता आनी हाजीर आशिल्ले समेस्तांच्या उपकारांनी आड्डयता म्हणून हांव मागता बाय दिपिका शिरोडकर हाचे कडेन की ताणें उपकाराचें उलोवप करचें.
नमस्कार. देव तुमकां बरी दनपार दिवं. आयोजकान म्हाका आयज उपकाराचे उलोवप करपाची संद दिली हें म्हजें मोठें भाग्य. डॉक्टर दादा वैद्य शिक्षण महाविद्यालयाच्या कोंकणी विभागात इंद्रधनुष ही कार्यावळ आयोजीत केली आनी आमी ह्या कार्यावळीचे साक्षी आसात. देखून आयोजकाच्या वटेंतल्यान हांव सगळ्यांचे उपकार मानतां. पयले सुवातेर हांव मुखेल सोयऱ्याचे डॉक्टर अजय गावडे सर हांचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ताणें ह्या कार्यावळीक हाजीर रावन कार्यावळीची सोबाय वाडयली. देव बरें करूं सर. दुसरे सुवातेर हांव ह्या महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर जोजन मॅथ्यू सर हांचे उपकारी आसा. ताणें आमकां ही कार्यावळ आयोजीत करपाक मान्यताय दिली. उपरांत हांव आमच्या कोंकणी विभागाचे मुखेली संजय गोवेकर सर हांचे उपकारी आसा, कारण ताणें आमकां वेळोवेळार मार्गदर्शन दिलें. आमच्या महाविद्यालयाच्या हेर शिक्षकाचे हांव आभार प्रकट करतां. ताणें आपलो मोलादीक वेळ ह्या कार्यावळीक दिलो. तशेंच इंद्रधनुष ह्या कार्यावळींतल्यान आयोजीत केल्ल्या साबार सर्तीचे परीक्षण केल्ले खातीर हांव तांकांय दिनवासतां. बाब रुपेश वरद आनी बाय लक्षता पातोळकर हांणी ह्या कार्यावळीक हाजीर रावन आपली सुंदर कविता सादर केल्ले खातीर तांकांय हांव काळजांतल्यान दिनवासतां. ताळी जशी एका हाताक वाजना तशीच खंयचीय कार्यावळ एका खांब्याचेर उबी रावपाक शकना. कार्यावळ यशस्वी करतले जाल्यार खूब जाणांचो वांटो आसता. हांव आमच्या महाविद्यालयाच्या शिक्षकेतर सहकर्मचाऱ्यांचे उपकारी आसा. हे सभाघर इतले लिप्त करी पासून ते कदेला मांडपा मेरेन तशेंच सगळ्या तरेचे तांत्रीक सहयोगा मेरेन ताणें आमकां सगळे तरेन सहकार्य दिलां. तशेंच खासा मनशाच्या रिणान आमी आसात जाणीं आमकां प्रत्यक्ष आनी अप्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण ह्या कार्यावळीक हातभार लायलो. ह्या पुराय कार्यावळी खातीर ज्यो आमी स्पर्धा घेतिल्ल्यो त्या स्पर्धेक आमकां इनामां प्रयोजीत केल्ल्या बाब रिचेश परब, बाय वेलंकनी वेगस, बाय मलिका काणकोणकर, बाय श्रुती नायक, दिपिका शिरोडकर ताचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. खंयचेय सर्त यशस्वी जातली जाल्यार ताका गरज आसता सर्तका कडल्यान उपाट प्रतिसादाची. कोंकणी विभागान आयोजीत केल्ल्या साबार सर्तीत विद्यार्थ्यांनी भोवसंख्येन वांटो घेवन आनी आमच्यो सर्ती यशस्वी केल्यो म्हूण हांव तांचे उपकारी आसा. हांव ह्या कार्यावळीची बुनयाद घालपी म्हणल्यार कोंकणी विभागाच्या दर एक विद्यार्थ्याक दिनवासता जाणी रात्र दीस मेहनत करून ही कार्यावळ